Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making a potato bratwurst and peppers dish. And I got 4 red potatoes here. Seasonings of choice, I'm going to use some oil that's in the back. Here is the bratwurst that I'm using. They're from the Sheboygan Sausage Company, just regular bratwurst. And I got these peppers from the Dollar Tree. You guys, this meal is around $5. So let's get started. Easy breezy. So for everyone that's new to the channel, welcome. And for those of you that keep coming back, we do appreciate you guys. So you guys, I'm going to be cutting my potatoes like this. You can use any potato you want. Why is this meal under $5? Well, the sack of potatoes that I had purchased was around $3. The peppers were from the Dollar Tree, and the bratwursts were $2.99. I'm not including the seasonings. You can use whatever seasonings you prefer, whatever seasonings you like. Those are the seasonings that I have in house, so those are the seasonings I will be using today. So anyways, that's how I'm going to cut these guys up. I have 4 potatoes, so I'm gonna finish doing the rest off camera. So now that I've got those all cut up, you can use a 9x13 pan, but I have the Corningware, so I'm just gonna use that. I just put a cap full of oil in there. I've made this dish before, and this meal here will feed 4 people for under $4 or $5 or less, depending on how you want to do it. But I thought it'd be a great idea. Yeah, those bratwursts were only $2.99. I thought, wow, what a great deal for the price of those. So I'm going to go ahead here and season up these potatoes with all of the seasonings that I choose. Like I said, you use what you like. When I'm done seasoning up, I will go ahead and mix them around so everybody is coated, and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, you guys, now that you see that I got it all mixed up together here, I'm going to use all these peppers and onions from the bag. We're going to spread that around on top. Then we're going to go ahead and distribute our bratwurst. You guys, I have the oven set at 350, about 45 minutes in the oven. And you can also get in there during the halfway mark and turn the brats. Leave the peppers the way they are with the potatoes the way they are, because these potatoes are going to rely on the juices from everything to cook through. You could add a little stock in there if you like, or some water even. It's totally your choice, but this is how I do it, approximately 45 minutes in the oven. You want to cover your cooking vessel with either aluminum foil, or if you have a lid like I do, you want to lid it to keep them juices and the steam in there. I had to come back and say, you do want to put a top on top of your cooking vessel that you're using. Okay guys, here you have it. I just pulled her out of the oven. So she's ready to cool down and serve, you guys. Looks delicious. Meal for 4 people, 2 people. It's a meal for under $5. It could feed 4, it could feed 3. Definitely will feed 2, but it is a meal for $5 or less. Hope you guys give it a try. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Keep a steady hand, because we need a thumbnail. Let me see. There we go. That looks like a good thumbnail. Alright guys, take care, stay blessed, stay safe, give this recipe a try.